So this is a QX60. We were getting the code P0174 Bank 2 lean, the P0171 Bank 1 System 2 lean. We found the issue. It was this line right here, this hose, which is this one. It's a hose blow by, and it has a cut over there. I'll show you the issue, and let me show you how I found it. We're using this smoke machine. This is the brand that we are using right now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy one. So we have it hooked up to the hose, and you're gonna see where it's leaking. There it goes. As you can see, it has a cut right there. So before you start spending money on oxygen sensors, make sure you check all the hoses. There's no cracks or cuts on them. So we're gonna go ahead and install everything back together. We're also gonna be putting brand new gaskets, the throttle body gasket, and this one, the gasket, the intake gasket. We also cleaned the throttle body. That one we are gonna have to recalibrate it. We have the scanner to do it. So if you don't have the scanner, or if you don't want to mess with that, just make sure you don't move the butterfly. So in case you do move it, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for a scanner, or you can do it manual also. Just watch a video on how to calibrate it manually with no tools needed. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.